Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fall favorite that's perfect for those cozy mornings and indulgent afternoons. We're talking about the best pumpkin pie syrup from Torani. If you love the rich and warm flavors of pumpkin pie, this syrup is a game changer for your coffee, desserts, and more. This delightful syrup comes in a generous 25.4-ounce bottle, offering plenty of delicious flavor to enhance your beverages. With its vibrant packaging and inviting scent, it's hard to resist. The syrup is crafted with care, featuring a blend of classic pumpkin pie spices like nutmeg, cinnamon, and the essence of pumpkin itself. It captures the essence of the beloved holiday dessert without all the extra calories. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Torani pumpkin pie syrup is made with Splenda, making it a guilt-free option for those looking to indulge without the sugar. Just imagine drizzling this over your morning latte or blending it into a creamy milkshake. It can transform your regular cup of coffee into a festive treat that rivals any cafe. Simply add 1 or 2 pumps of the syrup to your favorite drink. It blends beautifully into both hot and cold beverages, allowing you to enjoy that pumpkin pie flavor year-round. Whether it's a pumpkin pie latte, an iced coffee, or even a cozy hot chocolate, this syrup has you covered. The flavor is rich and authentic, reminiscent of freshly baked pumpkin pie, making each sip feel like a warm hug. It's perfect for fall gatherings or just a comforting afternoon treat. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use and can elevate your home coffee experience to a whole new level. And for those who are conscious about what they're putting into their bodies, the ingredients are straightforward: pure cane sugar, natural flavors, and preservatives to maintain freshness. It's always nice to know exactly what you're consuming, and with Torani, you can feel confident in your choice. So, whether you're a pumpkin pie aficionado or just looking to add a splash of autumn to your beverages, Torani's pumpkin pie syrup is a must-try. It combines convenience, flavor, and a touch of nostalgia into every drop. Make your fall festivities even sweeter with this delicious syrup. Thanks for joining me today on Product Critique. If you're ready to elevate your coffee game this season, consider picking up a bottle of Torani pumpkin pie syrup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. See you next time, and happy sipping.